When a young man spends time with his cat, he feels comfort, love, and emotional peace. But constant mobile phone use can slowly increase stress, frustration, and emotional exhaustion.
Today, I'm going to show you a highly profitable stickman psychology niche that is currently getting millions of views across different social media platforms. Take a look at these videos. Every single one of them was created using completely free AI tools. And the best part? Today, I'll also introduce you to a 100% free AI tool that can help you create similar viral content. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Head over to YouTube and search for Psychology Simplified. As you can see, this channel has built a massive audience, 271K subscriber, and is performing exceptionally well. This channel earned 1.7K per month. Now, let's check the popular videos section. You'll notice videos with 3 million views, 3.1 million views, and many more reaching hundreds of thousands of views. This clearly shows that the Psychology Stickman niche has huge viral potential and excellent monetization opportunities. But that's not all. Let's move over to Facebook and take a look at Silent Psychologist. This page has accumulated thousands of followers and consistently receives impressive engagement on its reels. Many videos have reached hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. What's interesting is that both of these creators are using a similar stickman psychology style, proving that this niche is currently trending across multiple platforms. Now let's move on to the most important part, the master prompt. I already have a complete master prompt prepared for you, and you'll find it in the top link of my YouTube video description. This prompt includes everything you need. Image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, script scene. By scene structure, simply copy the master prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and boom. Within moments, ChatGPT generates a complete content package for you, including Scene 1, Scene 2, all the way to Scene 9, with image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts already prepared. Open the AI image generation platform called Flow AI. Select the image generation option and copy the prompt for your first scene. Paste it into the generator and click Generate. Wait a few moments. And wow, look at the quality of the result. The first image is incredibly engaging and visually appealing. Next, take the prompt for Scene 2, paste it into the generator, and click Generate again. The second image is also ready. Continue repeating the same process for all 9 scenes. Simply copy, paste, and generate each image one by one. After a few minutes, all of your images will be ready. Look at these results. Every image looks professional, visually attractive, and perfectly matches the overall theme of the video. Most importantly, the character design remains consistent throughout all scenes. All right, everyone, now let's move on to the video generation process. First, open a website called PopVid AI. This is an AI-powered video generation platform, and the best part is that it's completely free to use. Simply sign up using your Gmail account. Once you log in, you'll receive 200 free credits. Since each 5-second video only costs 10 credits, you can create up to 20 videos completely free. Now, go to the left side menu and click on the Create option. From there, select Video Generation. Next, upload your first image. After uploading it, go to the prompt section, paste your video prompt, and click the Generate button. Your image-to-video creation process will begin immediately. Now, wait a few moments while the AI processes your request. And boom, your first image-to-video clip is now ready. Take a look at the result. The animation looks smooth, professional, and highly engaging. Now, let's do the same with the second image. Upload the image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the second video is now being generated. Wait a few moments, and there it is. Your second video is ready as well. The quality looks amazing, and the animation is very impressive. Next, upload your third image, add the prompt, and click Generate. After a short wait, your third video will be completed. Continue the same process for the fourth image, fifth image, and all the remaining scenes. Simply upload the image, paste the prompt, click Generate, and let the AI do the work. Once all the scenes are processed, you'll have a complete set of professional video clips ready to use. As you can see, every generated video looks clean, engaging, and visually appealing. PopVid AI is an excellent tool for creating AI-generated videos. With 200 free credits, you can generate up to 20 videos without spending any money. Once all your videos are ready, simply download them to your device. Now, let's move on to the voiceover generation step. Since PopVid's AI does not generate voiceovers, we'll use another free AI tool called TTS Animate. This platform is also completely free to use. After signing in, you'll receive approximately 2,000 free credits, which is more than enough to create multiple professional voiceovers. Now, go to ChatGPT and generate a voiceover script based on your scenes. I already have my script prepared, so I'll simply copy and paste it into the text box. Next, choose your preferred AI voice. For this example, I'm selecting Alex, which sounds natural, clear, and professional. After selecting the voice, click on Create Speech. The AI will begin processing your voiceover. Wait a few moments, and that's it. Your professional AI voiceover is now ready. The result sounds natural, engaging, and perfect for YouTube videos, Facebook Reels, TikTok videos, and other short-form content. Now we have completed the images, videos, and voiceover. The final step is editing everything together into a complete viral-ready video. For editing, simply open CapCut. All right, everyone, now it's time for the final editing process. First, upload all of your generated video clips into your editing software. Once all the videos are uploaded, arrange them in the correct sequence on the timeline. Simply place each clip one after another so that your story flows smoothly from beginning to end. Next, import your AI-generated voiceover and place it on the audio track. As you can see, I have already organized everything in sequence, including all video clips and the voiceover, and the project is now almost complete. However, you may notice that a logo or watermark appears on some of the video clips. Don't worry, there's an easy solution. Simply select the clip and use the scale option. By slightly increasing the scale, you can crop out the logo area and remove the watermark from the visible frame. And just like that, the logo is gone, and your clean, professional-looking video is ready. Now all that's left to do is export your project. Choose your preferred quality settings and click the Export button. After the export is complete, your final video will be ready to upload on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform. And here is the final result. In today's tutorial, I showed you the complete step-by-step process from generating scripts, creating images, converting images into videos, generating professional voiceovers, and finally editing everything together into a polished, engaging video.